Alright, hello my fellow investors, it's the Intelligent Investor here, and in today's video I will be showing you what my passive income is here in Robinhood. Now, the way I get passive income is from dividend stocks. I invest in these 5 stocks that make me passive income. Two companies, which is Stag and Realty Income, pay me monthly dividends. Apple, CocaCola, and AT&T pay me quarterly, which is every 3 months. Now, all this passive income is reinvested back into these stocks, so I do get a tax deferral at the end of the year, just so you know. All right, so the first company is Stag. Stag has a dividend yield of 4.65, payout ratio 38.36, pretty decent market cap. It's going to be getting better soon, so yeah, for me, as you see, total return is not as much, but I don't care about that. I care about the dividends because that's where I'm getting my money. So my positions, I usually round down. So it's 11 shares. So I'm going to show you here real quick. So at 11 shares, this company pays a 12-cent dividend. Okay, that's every month. And every month from the shares I own, I get about $1.32. A quarter, I get $3.96. Now, at the end of the year, I end up getting $15.84. Sorry about that, you can't really see that. But $15.84 is my yearly return on Stag. All right, so now we're going to jump to the next stock. Now, from Apple, I own about 12 shares. It has a small dividend yield, which is 0.59. They are increasing it every year. This is mainly a growth stock, but again, it does pay a dividend, so it's starting to get there. So we're patiently waiting with this one. It's probably going to become a giant dividend in the future sometime, but it's slowly growing and it's getting there. So Apple is mainly a growth stock, so that's what I'm looking for, growth in here. Same thing with this one. See, that's not here. Give me 1 second. All right. So with Apple, I have about 12 shares. Apple pays a 20-cent dividend. And that's every quarter. Every month I get about $2, or every quarter, sorry, I get $2.40 from them. And I know it's not a lot. And then it's $9.60 per year. So this is what 12 share brings me in return a year. This does not include the growth in it. I'm just focused on the dividend, okay? All right, jumping to the next one, which is Realty Income, another monthly paying dividend stock. This one has a 4.74 yield, good market cap, and again, it's a realty company. It says total return minus 270. Like I said, I don't care for that. My thing is on dividends. So now I have about 50 shares. So that's increased dramatically in the past few months. So at 50 shares, Realty Income pays a 23-cent dividend. Okay. Now a month with those 50 shares, I get $11.50 per month. Okay. Now every quarter, I tend to get $34.50. Now per year, I end up getting $138. So this is where it starts to build up. 50 shares at my market value is giving me $138 per year. So like I said, I don't look at total return. I look at the overall return because this is what I'm more interested in, getting the dividend returns. All right, so jumping on to the next one, Coca-Cola. Everybody knows Coca-Cola. I mean, they've been so great to me, so I love them. Dividend yield is 3.35. Payout ratio, good market cap. Again, I know Coca-Cola, people are scared of getting into Coca-Cola and they've had bad news lately, but I trust in them and I believe in them and I will keep them for the future. So let's go on this one. So Coca-Cola, they pay a 41-cent dividend, 41 cents per quarter. Now understand that Coca-Cola is a dividend king. They've been paying dividends for the past 59 years now, or 58 years, and they've been increasing it. We had a bad year, like everyone did, but Coca-Cola still increased their dividend this past year. And they've been doing it for the past, like I said, 57, 58 years. So they're just someone I completely trust. So they pay 41-cent dividend. For me, I get $20.91 per quarter. At the year end, I end up getting $83.64, and that's per year. All right. So that's a pretty good return. Now, the last stock is AT&T. This one has the highest dividend yield at 7.215. So that is honestly the best dividend to price stock out there. All right. So again, like I've always recommended this stock. I know it doesn't have a lot of hype, but it pays a great dividend. It stopped increasing its dividend this past year, but I understand because they have a high dividend compared to its price and they need to pay off some debt. But again, people are scared that they have a huge debt at about 150 billion, and they're going to bring it down, guys. Their net worth is high. I mean, they're going to start selling part of DirecTV so they can get some of that money back. They got rid of Crunchyroll. They did HBO Max, which is going to bring them some good profits this next year. And they're pushing to pay off the debt, so that's really good with the company. And again, they have a lot of free flow money. They usually have about $30 billion of free flow money after they pay their dividends, their workers, they pay everything. That's free flow money, so understand it. They still have a huge free flow. All right, so enough of that. AT&T pays a 52-cent dividend. Now, I have 80 shares of AT&T here in Robinhood. I'm going to jump that to 100 after I make my profits from APXT. Once that goes up and I sell off of it, I'm going to invest it all in AT&T. So enough of that. AT&T pays a 52-cent dividend. That's per quarter, which means every 3 months. Now, a quarter, I get $41.87 per quarter. And then at the end of the year, I end up getting $167 and 48 cents. So this is a lot of money, guys. So from investing $2,300, I'm making $167.48 from AT&T dividends per year. Okay. So, I mean, that is a lot of money, guys. That is really a lot of money. To end all this, I'm going to show you how much I make overall per year on all this. Now, I said I got $15.84 per year from Stag. Apple gives me $9.60 per year. Realty Income gives me $138 per year. CocaCola pays me $83.64 per year. And AT&T pays me $167.48. Now the total for that ends up being $414.56. All right. So everything I have invested in those 5 stocks makes me $414.56. Now understand that all this money gets reinvested back into AT&T. All of these profits get reinvested back to the stocks. So understand that every time it gets reinvested, so all these $414 are going to get reinvested back into the stocks. the number of shares are going to increase, and next year or next quarter, this is going to keep growing. Next year, this is probably going to go up about 20%, and it's going to keep going up and up and up year after year after year. And this is what we call compound interest. This is what's going to make us wealthy in the future and what's going to make us passive income. So always understand that if you don't day trade or swing trade and you don't make money out of that, this is a safer way to do it. This is how I want you guys to start making these profits and then eventually moving up to those riskier methods. But again, all these companies for me are very safe companies that have been paying off dividends. They're huge companies where if we do have a stock market crash, they will survive and they'll still pay off their dividend. So please understand that. Again, I'm making $414 out of my portfolio, and all of this is going to get reinvested back into this, and my portfolio is just going to keep growing year after year. So that's how much I make from passive income. This is how I redistribute it. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you need any financial advice, I'll give you the best of my knowledge. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just giving you my opinions and my thoughts on how I make my money here on Robinhood. If you need a financial advisor, you feel free to hire me. Check my previous 2 videos and you can get the information there. So yeah, just send me a personal message if you have any questions. If you have any questions normally, but put it down in the comments down below. And please, guys, please subscribe. It'll help me out a lot. It'll motivate me to actually make more videos and actually try to give you as much information as I can. If you want to know anything specific, let me know in the comments down below so I can give you or make certain videos that'll help you guys out a little bit more. So thank you guys for everything, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.